Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe that's perfect for breakfast or brunch, the delicious cheese omelette. It's quick, easy, and oh so cheesy. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need for this delectable cheese omelette. 3 large eggs. A handful of grated cheddar cheese. A pinch of salt and pepper. A tablespoon of butter. Optional toppings like diced bell peppers, mushrooms, or ham. Now, let's crack those eggs. Whisk the eggs until they're nice and frothy. This step is essential to achieve that fluffy omelette texture we all love. Now, let's season it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now, heat your pan over medium heat and melt a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is sizzling, it's time to pour in our egg mixture. Let it cook for a minute or so until the edges start to set. Now, here comes the fun part, the cheese. Sprinkle that beautiful cheddar cheese all over the omelette. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also add your favorite toppings like bell peppers, mushrooms, or ham at this stage. Get creative. Now, let the omelette continue cooking until the cheese starts to melt and the bottom turns golden brown. It's important not to rush this process as we want that gooey cheesy goodness. Look at that. Our cheese omelette is beautifully cooked, golden brown, and bursting with cheesy flavor. It's time to plate it up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this.